For decades, the advice has been the same. Eat your carrots for healthy eyes. And while carrots certainly offer real nutritional benefits, researchers have now identified a different fruit that does something carrots simply cannot. A fruit that, when eaten at a specific time each night, may do more to protect your aging vision than almost any other single dietary choice you can make. Most people don't know that their eyes have a critical repair window, and it happens every night while they sleep. What you eat in the hour before bed directly influences how effective that repair process becomes. If you're over 60 and doing nothing to support that nightly window, you're missing an opportunity that adds up enormously over time. Tonight, that changes. I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell, and this channel exists to bring you the latest peer-reviewed research translated into practical strategies, designed specifically for adults in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that now so you never miss a video that could genuinely protect your health. Now let's get right to it, because the answer here is one that genuinely surprises most people. The fruit is kiwi. 2 kiwis eaten approximately 1 hour before bedtime. I know that might seem unexpected. Blueberries get most of the attention in conversations about eye health. Carrots have decades of marketing behind them. But the specific combination of compounds found in kiwi, working in concert with what your body naturally does during sleep, creates a synergy that research finds genuinely remarkable. Let me walk you through the science, because the evidence here is solid and specific. Your eyes contain a tiny but critically important structure called the macula. Located at the center of your retina, it handles all your sharp, precise vision. Reading, recognizing faces, driving, anything requiring detail. As we age, the macula becomes increasingly vulnerable to a process called oxidative stress. Free radicals, unstable molecules generated by light exposure, inflammation, and normal metabolism, accumulate in retinal tissue over years and decades. The result is age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in Americans over 60. What makes this condition so dangerous is that it develops silently. Meaningful damage occurs long before any symptoms appear. Kiwi contains 2 compounds that protect the macula directly. They're called lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of them as your retina's built-in filter and shield. They physically absorb damaging blue light before it reaches your photoreceptors. And they neutralize free radicals before those molecules can harm your delicate retinal cells. Your body cannot manufacture these compounds. You must obtain them from food, and kiwi delivers both in a highly bioavailable form. Kiwi is also among the most potent sources of vitamin C you can eat. 1 medium kiwi contains more vitamin C than a medium orange, something that surprises most people. In your eyes specifically, vitamin C concentrates in the lens and plays a direct role in preventing the oxidative damage that causes cataracts. Researchers at King's College London, in a study published in the journal Ophthalmology, followed over 1,000 pairs of twins and found that individuals with the highest dietary vitamin C intake had a 33% lower risk of developing cataracts. That is a substantial reduction. And because vitamin C is water-soluble, your body doesn't store large reserves. Consistent daily intake is what actually provides lasting protection. I want to pause and ask you something. Have you noticed any changes in your vision over the past few years? Difficulty reading small print? Any blurring in the center of your visual field? Or trouble seeing clearly in low light? Comment yes or no below. Your answers help me understand what this community is actually experiencing. Now here's the piece of this story that most eye health conversations completely miss. It's also the specific reason why eating kiwi before bed matters so much more than eating it at other times of day. Kiwi is one of the very few fruits that naturally contains serotonin, the neurotransmitter your brain uses as a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that governs your sleep cycle. Researchers at Taipei Medical University conducted a study with 24 adults who had documented sleep difficulties. Each participant ate 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime every night for 4 weeks. The results, published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, were clear. Sleep onset time decreased by 35%. Total sleep duration increased by 13%. Sleep efficiency improved significantly. The naturally occurring serotonin in kiwi was identified as the primary driver of these improvements. Why does better sleep matter for your eyes? Because your eyes undergo genuine, measurable repair while you sleep. The aqueous fluid inside your eyes circulates more efficiently during sleep. Your tear film, the protective coating over your cornea, replenishes and restores fully while your eyes are closed. And your optic nerve benefits from your brain's overnight waste-clearing system, which functions best during deep, uninterrupted sleep. Consider what this means practically. You could consume all the right eye protective nutrients during the day, but shallow or fragmented sleep shortens the repair window those nutrients are supposed to support. Kiwi Before Bed addresses both sides of that equation simultaneously, and that dual action is what makes the timing so important. Margaret was 68 when her ophthalmologist identified early signs of macular degeneration during a routine dilated exam. She wasn't yet at a stage requiring treatment, but she was told to return in 6 months for monitoring. Determined not to let things progress, Margaret began eating 2 kiwis every evening before bed and made a few additional dietary changes. 8 months later, her ophthalmologist found that the early deposits in her macula had not advanced. Her visual acuity testing showed no decline, and on one specific measure, a slight improvement. Her doctor's guidance was simple. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. Margaret also mentioned something she hadn't expected. She began falling asleep faster and waking up genuinely rested for the first time in years. The eye benefits and the sleep improvement had arrived together. The most significant study ever conducted on nutrition and macular degeneration was the Age-Related Eye Disease Study 2, funded by the National Eye Institute. This multi-year investigation followed over 4,000 participants with existing macular degeneration and tested whether specific dietary nutrients could slow its progression. The findings, published in JAMA Ophthalmology, were significant. Participants with the highest dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin showed a 26% reduction in the risk of advancing to late-stage macular degeneration, compared to those with the lowest intake. The NIH has since formally recognized lutein and zeaxanthin as essential nutrients for eye preservation. Researchers consistently emphasize that obtaining these compounds from whole food sources delivers the most complete benefit, because food provides the cofactors that optimize how your body absorbs and uses these nutrients. Let me ask you directly. When did you last have a dilated eye exam? Not a routine vision check for glasses, but a full exam where your doctor dilated your pupils and examined the back of your eye. This distinction matters because early macular changes are invisible to you. No symptoms appear until significant damage has already occurred. For adults over 60, a dilated exam should happen every 2 years at minimum, and annually if you have diabetes, a family history of macular degeneration, or any recent changes in vision. Comment below. When was your last dilated exam? I genuinely want to know where we stand as a community. Before I walk you through the exact nightly protocol, I want to share one more patient story that illustrates a benefit many people don't expect. Frank was 74 and had struggled with chronic dry eye syndrome for years. He relied on lubricating eye drops 4 or 5 times a day just to get through the afternoon comfortably. His optometrist had mentioned that vitamin C and better sleep could both support tear film health, but Frank hadn't made any targeted changes. After starting the nightly kiwi habit, Frank reported within 6 weeks that he was reaching for his eye drops once a day, occasionally twice, rather than constantly throughout the afternoon. His mornings, typically his worst time, became noticeably more comfortable. Tear film quality depends directly on the nutrients your body has available and the depth of sleep your body achieves. Frank addressed both factors simultaneously without fully realizing it. Here is the exact protocol the evidence supports. Eat 2 medium kiwis approximately 1 hour before going to bed every night. 2 specifically because the Taipei Medical University sleep study used that quantity, and because 2 provides a substantially higher dose of lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, and serotonin than 1 kiwi alone. 1 has benefits. 2 is the amount that the research actually studied. 1 preparation step worth knowing. After cutting your kiwi, let it rest at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before eating it. This brief resting period allows the fruit's natural enzymes to activate more completely, which improves carotenoid bioavailability. Do not cook or heat it. Eat it fresh. You can eat kiwi with the skin on, which contains 3 times the fiber of the flesh along with additional polyphenols. or peel it. Both approaches work well. When selecting kiwis at the store, look for fruit that yields slightly when you apply gentle pressure. That softness indicates peak ripeness, which correlates with higher antioxidant levels. A few safety considerations. If you take warfarin or any blood-thinning medication, speak with your physician first, because kiwi contains vitamin K and can affect how these medications work. If you have a known latex allergy, be aware that kiwi can trigger cross-reactive responses in some people. If you have kidney disease and monitor potassium intake, consult your doctor before making this a daily practice. Allow at least 8 weeks before evaluating your results. Sleep improvements often become noticeable within the first 2 to 3 weeks. The eye protective benefits build gradually over months of consistent intake. That is how nutritional protection works, and that is why starting consistently now matters more than starting perfectly later. And please continue your regular eye exams. This practice is a meaningful complement to professional monitoring, not a replacement for it. The evidence points clearly in one direction. Kiwi eaten before bed provides your macula and lens with lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, precisely when your body enters its most active repair phase. It simultaneously supports the deep sleep that makes that repair most effective. 2 small fruits, 1 hour before bed, 8 consistent weeks. That is a genuinely achievable intervention backed by specific, credible science. If you're going to try this starting tonight, comment "starting tonight" below. If kiwi is already part of your evening routine, comment "already on it" and share whether you've noticed any changes in your sleep or vision. And if you know someone concerned about their eyesight as they age, please send this video to them. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. We're covering a specific nutrient deficiency that quietly accelerates glaucoma progression in adults over 60, and most patients are never told about it. That is information worth having. I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell. Take care of your eyes, because they need to last you a lifetime.